Hi guys, Adrian here, and in this short video today I just want to cover an important topic. It's called balancing risks and rewards. Now, with every trade we want to ensure that we have at least a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. We want to enter into a trade accepting a potential loss and adjust our risk to our tolerance. If you adjust the pips of stop loss, adjust your lot size to control the total risk. Have an exit strategy. Know when to take profits, know when to take partial profits, know when to take profits early, know why and when to exit a trade early, and grow your capital as well as your equity. Now, you need to know all of these things. We need to ask, are all your eggs in one basket? Are you applying good quality trade management, which will help reduce risk and maximize your profits? Never risk more than you can afford to lose is a good mantra to live by.
Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications so whenever a new video is released you don't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link in that description below.